To resolve the issue of a blinking green light on an AT&T router, it is essential to understand the cause of the problem. The blinking green light typically indicates that the router is attempting to boot up, but is unable to do so due to a limited or poor network connection. To fix this issue, the first step is to restart the router by switching it off, disconnecting it from the power source for at least 15 seconds, and then reconnecting it. Wait patiently for the router to turn solid green. If restarting the router does not resolve the issue, a factory reset may be necessary. This can be done by locating the red reset button at the bottom rear of the router and pressing it for at least 20 seconds, allowing the device to reboot. The router's lights should then turn on and remain steady green. If the blinking persists, inspect the cables connected to the router, ensuring they are fully connected to the proper port and not damaged. Replace any damaged cables and snug in any loose ones firmly. If the issue still persists, technical assistance can be obtained by dialing a specific phone number, which can provide further guidance and support to resolve the problem.